So you've gotten your interior design type, but now you need to know where to go from here. If you're new here, I'm Natalia. I'm the dopamine designer. I help people create spaces that they love according to their interior design personality type. So this lady here has taken my quiz and she has discovered that she is a type 7, which is an amazing type. My daughter's a type 7, but she doesn't know what to do now. There's a few things that you can do. If you want to purchase the style guide, you can go to the link in my bio. It says link to all different 27 personality types, and then on that page you can choose just the one that you want. Also in the link to my bio is an option to purchase a book that describes everything about the Deco DNA interior design personalities. So if you are really interested in exploring that more, you can purchase that there. But if you don't have the money to spend or you don't want that, you can attend one of my free webinars where I talk about the different types and how you can use that and how you can dissect images to better understand your interior design style. I do them frequently, so check the link in my bio for a link to sign up for the free webinar. And for those of you who follow me on TikTok, go to here on my page and then scroll down to find your type. And then once you find it, click on it. It's behind my head. And I have a bunch of videos posted about your type.